Hey guys, this is a 2025 Tesla Model X Plaid. It's got the red brakes on it. 1,050 horsepower, I believe. This is a 6-seater white seat configuration. It is a rebuilt title, did have some front end damage. All been fixed up. It has gone through a high voltage test from Tesla. Battery's good, so it will be supercharged on the supercharging network. I love that all these doors shut. I push the brake. So there you can see hardware 4, 8,200 miles on it. See the Plaid. So you have full self-driving on this, but you got to pay the subscription. So you can see charging, so 108 miles. We will be doing a full test on this and it will be posted online once it's done, but right now you can estimate it's 38% with 108 miles on there. You know, roughly probably 280, 290 is my guess, but we will put the real numbers up once it's done. So yeah, this is where we do our battery health test. It says it's healthy, but we'll give you the exact percentage after we perform the test. So this is where you would pay for your full self-drive, you know, your premium connectivity, all the things that you get with it. Seats, you know, you got heated, cooled seats all the way around, even the rear. All your different controls. So here, I mean, you can change your ride height and all that. All your does have Sentry mode, which videotapes you. Does have a summons, so you can have it drive to you with no one in there. These are wireless charging. Carbon fiber here. Does have the yoke, and this is all suede on the roof. I'm pretty sure, I don't know if it comes, I think mostly Plaids are all suede. See the carbon fiber trim through here. Really good looking. So button, move the seat forward. Good look at those rear seats. They do fold down, so you have more trunk room if you need. So got all your U2, you control your seats, temperature, volume. So it's got the red brakes. It's got performance tires on there. So these Model X with the hardware 4 are becoming harder to find. I believe with hardware 4 there's about 8 for sale on cars.com in the whole nation. So pretty hot commodity. If you want this thing to drive by yourself, hardware 4, you pretty much don't have to touch the steering wheel or the pedal. It'll drive yourself on a full trip without doing any of it. People are loving it. I think it's the best option that's available in cars. Here again, this was a rebuilt title, front end damage, all been fixed up. Passed high voltage test from Tesla, so fully inspected. We will have a picture of, we take out the whole front part, and so you can see where it was damaged and see what the inside looks like with the tub taken out. So be looking for those on our website, give you a lot more information. But beautiful 2025 Tesla Model X Plaid for sale. Check out our inventory at realdealauto.com.